Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Semestar Global School. This is your teacher Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English language of class 4. Students, as we have done with chapter number 6 adjectives part 1 which I have taught you on last Friday. Now today we are going to learn its part 2 where we will do exercises which are given in the book. Okay. So before we start, let's have a quick revision of this chapter. So this is chapter name adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which we use to describe a noun or a pronoun. Okay, or you can say adjectives are describing words. Okay, like beautiful girl, pretty lady, intelligent student, excellent doctor, important question. So you can see that we are using them before a noun. Okay, so when we are describing a noun or a pronoun, we are using words which are called adjectives. And kinds of adjectives: types of adjectives. Number 1 is quality. Number 2 is quantity. Number 3 is number. Number 4 is demonstrative. And number 5 is possessive. Okay, adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, and the last is possessive adjectives. Okay, when we answer the question how, what kind, then we use adjective of quality. Okay, when we are describing a thing by its size, color, shape, or by opinion, then we use adjective of quality. Quantity, when we are talking, when we are answering a question which is asking how much. That means for uncountable nouns which we cannot count, for that we use adjective. Which adjective? Adjective of quantity. Then adjective of number. As you can think by the name that we use them for a noun which is countable. Okay, and where we are answering the question how many. Now come to this one, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective we use to point out a noun. Okay, and with such words, this, that, these, those. I have given the examples as well. Now last one is possessive. As you can understand by the name possessive, when you are showing possession on a noun or on a person or on a thing, then we use this adjective, possessive adjective. And some common possessive adjectives are his, her, my, our, their, your. Okay, now let's start with the exercise. Exercise 6a, you can do it yourself. You just have to write suitable adjective with describe to each one, which is given on page number 40. So for elephant you can write huge or grey, its color is grey. And for train you can write large or heavy. And for tricycle you can write 3 wheels. Okay, 3 wheels. Or you can write its color as well. For tree you can use huge or green. For number 5, for bird you can use tiny and its color you can write blue. And for number 6 you can do it is a snowman, you can write cute because it's looking cute. And you can write huge because when you will make a ice man with ice, it will be huge. So we will do exercise 6D. 6b, which is given on page number 41. This one. Okay. Exercise 6b. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Number 1, the cake is covered with icing. Which kind of icing we can use? Colorful icing we can write. We can write sweet. You can write colorful as well, or chocolatey icing. You can write. Number 2 is dash mangoes in the basket are ripe. Some mangoes in the basket are ripe. Number 3, Glenn makes dash mistakes, many mistakes. Okay. And number 4, there were dash children in the park. You can write any number, 10, 2, 4, 3, whatever you want to write. Number 5, the book has dash beautiful pictures. You can write any number, or you can write many as well. Okay, you can write any number. Number 6 is the blind beggar had dash money, enough money. Okay. Number 7, the rich man gave the hungry boy food. Food we cannot count, so we have to write adjective of quantity, some food, or you can write enough food. Okay. Number 8 is Jill ate dash of the cookies from the jar. Okay, all the cookies. Answer can be various. You can write any suitable adjective according to yourself. Number 9 is dash people came to see the match. Many people. Okay. After completing this, now come to number 10. Number 10 is the big jar has a. So you have to cut A. A को cut कर दीजिए. It's wrong. The big jar has 20, or any number you can write. 20 sweets in it. Come to number 11. Number 11 is Tanya finished dash ice creams. You can write any number which is more than, which will be more than 1. So you can write 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 12, mother hung dash clothes on the line. Many clothes, or you can write any number, 2, 3, 4 clothes. Okay. Now come to number 13. Number 13 is there are still dash minutes left. Few minutes, or you can write 7 minutes, 10 minutes, any number. Number 14 is mother has dash work to do. Much work. Or you can write a lot of work. A lot of, or this one only, much. Okay. Last is number 15. I have only dash candle and it is melting. Dash candle means candle है, यानी कि सिर्फ एक की बात हो रही है. So we have to write one only, because there is no s. It's not in its plural form. Okay. So we have done with exercise 6b. Now turn your page and come on page number 43. Page number 43, where we have exercise 6c. If you haven't written it, then please don't worry. Just pause this video and you can note it down. Now exercise 6c. It is asking that pick out the adjectives and name their types. First we have to pick out the adjective, then we have to write its type. Number 1. Okay. Number 1 is Tom asked for some chilled juice. Chilled juice. Okay. So some. How much juice? Some. And what kind of juice? Chilled. Thanda juice. Itna thoda sa. So here we are asking about juice. Juice is uncountable noun. That means it is adjective of quantity. You have to write home. Adjective of quantity. The spellings you can If you're not understanding the spelling or not able to see properly, then you can write spellings from your book as well. It is given there. Chilled, that's mean what kind? Adjective of quality. Kaisa juice? Thanda juice. Adjective of quality. Number 2. Number 2 we have, the tree was laden with plenty of green leaves. Okay, the tree was laden with plenty of green leaves. यानी पेड़ हरे पत्तों से बिल्कुल घिरा हुआ है, ढेर सारी है. तो plenty of and green. How much leaves are there? Plenty of leaves. We cannot count leaves of a tree. Okay, exactly. So it will be adjective of quantity, which we use for uncountable noun. Quantity. And green is a quality. What kind of leaves? Green leaves. That's mean adjective of quality. Okay. Number 3. Number 3. This old man had enough food for his family. This old man, that's means we are pointing out. This means we are pointing, that's means demonstrative. Demonstrative adjective. Okay. And old man. What kind? Old. That's mean adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. And the old man had enough food. How much food? Enough food. That's mean we are answering the question. How much? Adjective of quantity, because we cannot count food. Quantity. Enough food for his family, showing possession on family. That's mean his is possessive adjective. Okay. This is number 3. Now, number 4. Number 4 is the playful kitten. The playful kitten was entangled in all the wool. In all the wool. That's mean playful. What kind of kitten it was? It was playful kitten. That's mean adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Playful kitten was entangled in all the wool. How much wool? All the wool. So all the wool, that's mean adjective of quantity, because we cannot count, we cannot count wool. Number 5. Number 5 is there were many dark clouds in the sky. There were many dark clouds. How much? Many clouds. Clouds we cannot count. That's mean adjective of quantity. What kind of clouds? Dark clouds. That's mean adjective of quality. Okay. Number 6. Number 6 is we should bring lots of fresh water. How much water? Lots of. Okay. Lots of. That's mean adjective of quantity. We cannot count water. Okay. Lots of fresh water. What kind of water? Fresh water. What kind? That's mean adjective of quality. Okay. Number 7, the whole market was lit with bright lights. Okay. Whole market. Okay, we cannot count market. That means it's adjective of quantity. Whole market was lit with bright lights. What kind of lights? Bright lights. That's mean adjective of quality. Okay. Number 8 is the little hen had several chicks. Number 8, little hen. What kind of hen? Little hen. Choti. Adjective of quality. Okay. Next is several. Several chicks. Chicks are countable nouns. We can count them. Several chicks. Adjective of the little hen had several chicks. Adjective of number, because we can count the chicks. Countable noun. Okay. So we have done with exercise 6C. As you can see that on the same page we have two exercises. 6C has two exercises. Second is down there, this one. Okay. Identify the adjective and tell whether they are demonstrative or possessive adjective. We have to find out the adjective first, then we have to tell it's demonstrative or possessive adjective. Just do one thing. I'm going to read it for you. You just have to identify the adjective. You will just have to circle it or underline it. Then in front of it, in those blanks, you have to write which kind of them. That I will write on board. That building is beautifully decorated. Here, that is adjective, which is followed by noun building. That means that is when we point out something. That means demonstrative. So in front of number 1, write demonstrative. Okay. And that को underline कर लीजिए या circle कर लीजिए. Number 2, these puppies are cute and cuddly. Underline these, and these we are using for noun puppies, and these is also demonstrative. Pointing, we use them for pointing out. Demonstrative. Number 3 is our homework is almost done. Our homework, हमारा, showing possession. R को underline करिए. That's mean R is the possessive adjective which is followed by a noun homework. Number 3 is possessive. Number 4 is her poems are short and interesting. Her poems, showing possession. So that means her is possessive adjective which is followed by noun poems. Okay. Number 4, her को underline करिए and it will be possessive. Okay. Number 5 is these flowers are in need of water. These flowers, pointing out, that's mean demonstrative. Underline these, and we are using these here for noun. Flowers, demonstrative. Number six is our house is being painted. Our house, हमारा घर, showing possession. That's mean R is possessive adjective. Underline it. And the R is possessive adjective. We have to write possessive in front of it. Come to number 7. Number 7 is this picture needs to be framed. This picture, pointing out, that's mean demonstrative. Demonstrative. And here we are using this for the noun picture. Okay, which is followed by noun picture. Now, please turn your page and come to page number 44, where you have exercise 6D. So, in this exercise, it is asking pick out the adjectives and name them. Same exercise as we have done exercise 6C. Okay, what we have to do, we have to pick out the adjectives and we have to write their type or name. Okay. Number 1 is some children had a few drops of bitter medicine. Number 1, the first is how many children? Some children. How much drop? Few drops. What kind of medicine? Bitter medicine. How many? That's mean adjective of number. Adjective of number. How much? That's mean adjective of quantity. What kind? Bitter. That's mean adjective of quality. Okay. So this is number 1. Now number 2. Number 2 is there was sufficient silk cloth to make 5 curtains. Okay. How much? Sufficient. Okay. Sufficient. What kind of cloth? Silk. And to make how many? 5 curtains. Okay. So how much? That's mean uncountable. And what it will be? It will be an adjective of quantity. Silk, what kind? That's mean adjective of quality. And 5, which means number, how many? Adjective of number. Okay. Number 3 is the greedy cat drank up all the milk from the 2 pans. What kind of cat it was? It was a greedy cat. And how much milk she drank? All the milk. From how many pans were there? 2. What kind? That's mean adjective of quality. How much? That's mean adjective of quantity. Okay. How many? That's mean adjective of number. Okay. was number 3. Sorry, it was number 3. Number 4. On number 4 we have, some happy children shed many tears of joy. Some. Okay. How many children? Some children. Some children. What kind of they were? They were happy. Okay. Happy. Shed. How much tears? Many tears of joy. What kind of tears? Joy. Some children, that's mean. We can count children, that's mean it's adjective of number. Yes. Happy. What kind? Adjective of quality. Tears, we cannot count tears. How much? That's mean adjective of quantity. Okay. What kind of tears? Joy wale tears. That's mean adjective of quality. Okay. Number 5. How much electricity does the old man use in one day? How much? Only how? Okay. Sorry. Much only. Much electricity does the old man use in one day? How many? Much electricity we cannot count. That's mean adjective of quantity. Yes. Adjective of quantity. Old. What kind? That's mean adjective of quality. One. How many? That's mean adjective of number. Okay. Number 6. There are many fish in the deep sea. We caught only a few. How many ships are, which fish are there? Many. Okay. And what kind of sea? Deep. Yes. And how many they have found? How much they have found? A few. Okay. Many fish, because we cannot count fish in a deep sea, you know. So that's mean how much? It will be adjective of quantity. Deep. What kind of? That's mean what kind? Adjective of quality. A few. How much? Adjective of quantity. Okay. Next is number 7. Number 7 is, I had two chapatis, curry and rice for lunch. Only one adjective we have, which is two, and it is how many? That's we are answering the question. How many? Two. That's mean adjective of number. Number 8. Number 8 is, the girl wore a pretty silk dress on her 6th birthday. What kind of dress? Pretty. What kind of clothes? It was dress was made by silk material. And which birthday? Sixth birthday. Yes. Pretty means adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Silk. What kind of cloth it was? Silk. Adjective of quality. Same. Which birthday she was celebrating? Sixth number. That's mean adjective of number. So we have done with adjectives and its types. The second topic we have in this chapter is degrees of comparison, which we will do tomorrow, okay, in part 3rd of this chapter. Thank you. Have a good day.